Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Swiss chard, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with Swiss chard. So if you want some new recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is long, so I broke it into two parts. This is part one. I'll have a link to part two below. Be sure to watch it so you can get the whole list. Combine Swiss chard with acorn squash, garlic, and Gruyere cheese. Or Swiss chard with balsamic vinegar, garlic, olive oil, and red onions. How about Swiss chard with basil, eggs, and onions? Or Swiss chard with cheese of your choice, in particular Parmesan or ricotta cheese, and onions. How about Swiss chard with chickpeas, eggs, and lemon, as in a soup? How about Swiss chard with chickpeas and fennel? Or Swiss chard with chickpeas and pasta? Swiss chard with chilies, garlic, olive oil, and vinegar? Swiss chard with chilies and tomatoes? Swiss chard with currants, pine nuts, and rice in making a stuffed Swiss chard where you roll the other ingredients in the chard? Or how about Swiss chard with dill and leeks? Alright, this is it for part one. Stay tuned for part two and get the whole list. Take care now. Bye.